Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today we are testing out a bunch of new makeup from Profusion. They just dropped their new Casper Hot Stuff collection and I have a little bit of everything to test out today. I'm a little too excited. I've had a little too much caffeine, but yeah, I pretty much created a full face using all new Profusion makeup that is under $20. This is full glam. It is beautiful. It is spring ready and I am here for it. So if you enjoy this type of content, then make sure you stay tuned, grab your cafecito, and let's jump right into today's review. Just as a warning, you might hear a lot of background noise. It is spring break. I have a full house of children. I have my kids and then my niece and nephew, and kids are rowdy, they're loud, and as much as I want them to be peaceful and quiet, it's not going to happen. So if you guys hear a lot of screaming, that's why. So today we're going to start with the base because we have some really exciting, fun new products from Profusion. So I want to start off with the Profusion, the Friendly Ghost Casper Blissed Out Illuminating Setting Spray, which is this one right here. So I'm pulling up all the information to give to you guys. This retails for $9.99. So this claims to be a light reflecting particle spray that gives you a soft, ethereal glow. Hyaluronic acid and vitamin E keeps your skin feeling plump, smooth, and hydrated. An all-day glow that sets your makeup and gives you that soft, radiant finish. It is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and non-comedogenic radiant kindness with every spritz, which is such a mouthful. First of all, let's take a minute to appreciate the freaking packaging. Look at how adorable. Raise your hand if you grew up watching Casper the Ghostly Friend. I didn't, but I did watch the movie and I loved it so much. Anyways, so once you shake it, you can see how beautiful it is. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it is so aesthetically pleasing. So I'm not going to use this to set my skin because knowing me, my skin is going to get oily, but I am going to prep the skin with this. So let's give it a little spritz. Ooh, I love that. It's a cloud-like mist. I like that. There's no specific scent, but we will see once it dries down if it does give us a natural glow. Okay, I definitely see a little bit of like luminosity right here. So for you that you're dry skin, I think you're really going to like this. Or if you're oily skin and you just like want to if you want to hydrate your skin a little bit with something hydrating, then this is for you because cute, adorable, cute packaging, affordable. Add to cart. Don't have anything new as far as foundation, concealer, setting powder from Profusion. So we're mainly testing out lip glosses, lip oils, new eyeshadow palettes, new lip products, new shimmer blushes, as well as glowy little like this, what I'm talking about. So I'm just quickly going to run through my base. Foundation and bronzer are on. Let's move on to the blush. So Profusion sent over two of their new blushes. These are called the Shimmer Hour Liquid Blush Highlighter. So they sent over the shade Peach Mimosa and Strawberry Mimosa. Hello, mimosas. I love me a good mimosa, okay? We have Peach Mimosa. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. That is so similar to the new L'Oreal Lumi blushes. I personally am not a fan of these, but I am going to try it just for you. This is Strawberry Mimosa. Oh my gosh, are you guys more of a strawberry or a peach mimosa gal? Definitely more of a strawberry gal. It's just the vibe, you know. These are retailing for $5.99, and I guess they only have two shades, which are these peach and strawberry mimosa. So let's go in. I think I'm gonna go in with strawberry mimosa because the blush in the Hot Stuff collection has a soft matte and a shimmer, and this is leaning a little more pinky red, and obviously strawberry mimosa is that. So let's take a little bit of that, and oh, that might be a little light for my skin tone. Okay. That's definitely interesting. Let's see. I'm gonna blend it out with my blush brush here. Oh, okay. So it's actually not bad, as you can see once I start blending it. I'm also gonna use this little mirror that they sent over. Okay, so I'm getting a little bit of patchiness, and I don't know if it's my skin or if it was the blush, but it's picking up foundation here. I don't know if do you see that stripe right there? Let's try these Radiant Glow Illuminating Liquid Highlighters that retail for $7.99. I have two shades. I have the shade Rose Quartz, which is a little more pink, and then I have the shade Champagne, which is a little more golden. These are supposed to just give you a beautiful glow, illuminating look to your skin. I think I'm gonna go with the shade Champagne because I do prefer a more gold-like highlight. Wow, that is very intense. You know what? I'm just going to use my fingers to blend this out. Holy cannoli, look at that highlight. Oh my gosh, this is the type of highlights that I like, that make your skin look lit from within. That is so pretty, and I'm also going to test it out and see if it can be worn on top of powder, but with nothing. That looks really pretty. Let's apply a little more on this side, and then again I'm just using my fingers to like tap it in because I want this to like really blend into the skin and look like it's just my skin glowing naturally. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Okay, so far I really like this. And if you like more of a rose gold glow, then go with the rose quartz. Skin is set. I applied a little bit of my powder bronzer. Now we're going in with the blush. So again, this is the new Turn Up the Heat Soft Matte and Shimmer Blush Duo. So I personally am going to go in with the matte side. It does have a really cute little ghost devil face, horn face, whatever you call it. I don't know. I guess that's what his name is. Hot Stuff. I don't know. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I like that. It's the perfect like strawberry red. I'm not gonna use too much because I think I'm gonna go for like a little bit of a colorful look for today. Then I'm gonna dip into the highlight side a little bit and top it off right here. That's actually really pretty. Oh my gosh, and the packaging is so cute. Honestly, this is like the perfect color for the summer because it gives you that like barely there blushing look. I stepped off camera just to get an idea of what I wanted to create, and I knew I wanted a pop of green. So today I will be using the new Dreamscape 21 shade palette from Profusion, which is this beauty right here. Look at how gorgeous this is. I did want to use the Casper Hot Stuff palette, but I really wanted green, especially because I'm wearing a green top. So let me share and show you how I achieve this like soft makeup look. I'm starting off with this caramel shade, and I'm using that as a transitional color. Once I have that colored laid down, then I'm going to go back and pick up this shade. It's such a beautiful like lime green, and it's so true to color. I should have worn a white base to make it pop even more, but that's okay. Look at how pretty that is. These are pretty chalky, but for the price that you get, like you cannot go wrong with Profusion palettes. And the pigment is really pretty. I love this mint color. It's so, not mint, sorry. It's like a neon like a neon green, I guess. I don't know, but it's so pretty. I love it. It's so different from every green that I've ever worn. It reminds me of like spearmint, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to use a little bit of that green, and I am going to use it right here in the outer corner. Look at how pigmented that one is. This is more of a, like an army green, I guess. Not a forest green, but like an army green. And because I don't want this to be just like green, I am going to add a little bit of brown eyeshadow. And I'm going to mix it with that green just to create a little depth. And so it's not so green, so it'll be more of a like dark olive green, if that makes sense. And for the inner corner, I'm taking the shimmering green. And then I'm just going to pop it in here. Just taking a little more to bring a little shimmer into the eyes. And just like that, the eyes are done. You just want to repeat the same steps to the lower lash line, apply the green, and then just blend everything out. I am going to step off camera, finish off the eyes, and then we will be back to test out. Look at this. Look at how cute this is, and I'm going to tell you what brand this reminds me of, so stay tuned. Added some eyeliner and lashes, which honestly, I just feel like liner just seriously completes any look. I also added a little bit of lip liner. Now we're going to go in with these, the Dreamy lip plumps. These are Nourishing High Shine lip plumps. They sent over the shade Cozy Nude, Pretty in Pink, and Dreamy Mauve. I believe I have tried at least one shade of this in the past. I actually don't know if I tried these before, but they're very similar to like Tarte, Maracuja lip oils, the e.l.f. Cloud Plump, whatever. So this is the shade, oh my gosh, that is so pretty. It's very light, but this is in the shade Cozy Nude, so it's a very pretty nude neutral. These retail for $5.99. Then here we have Pretty in Pink. I really like the packaging. It's like a matte, like rubber finish, and it feels really nice on the hands. So that is Pretty in Pink. So very, very sheer formula. So if you just want a hint of color, these are going to be for you. And then the last shade is Dreamy Mauve. I'm going to use Cozy Nude. Oh, that is so nice. They're super like glossy and shiny, but super smooth on the lips. They glide on so like creamy and not a lot of color, which I personally really, really like. Let me just go in with a lip gloss, and then I can figure out the lip liner situation. So they sent over 3 shades of their Juicy Lips Nourishing Lip Oils. This is Wild Watermelon, Black Cherry, and Radiant Rose. I do have Radiant Rose, and I've tried this one before, and they're so good. They have that beautiful, like, glossy, oily finish. But I have here the Profusion Hot Stuff Casper the Friendly Ghost Mr. Mischief Nourishing Plumping Lip Oil Set. And when I saw these, they immediately reminded me of the Jisoo, Gisou, the honey infused lip oil in the shade Golden Shimmer, if you guys know what I'm talking about. The packaging is so similar, so I want to try this one out. We have Casper Plumping Oil, and then the red one is just called Hot Stuff. So I guess that's the name of the Ghost, Hot Stuff. Again, I didn't watch that, so I'm not sure. Oh my gosh. I love the applicator. So it's a little like, I guess like plastic applicator. And it has, oh, that is so pretty. This is giving me like early 2000s pink vibe. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Ugh, I can't tell if it smells like anything because Cleo's right below me. She just got a bath and I can only smell dog. So I don't know if it smells like anything, but I love that. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Okay, let me take this off and let's swatch Hot Stuff. It is definitely thicker than a typical lip oil, but I think I like that. Oh, That is so nice. This just adds a hint of color, which is my go-to. Like this is gonna be in my car because I love these colors for when I'm not wearing makeup and I just want my lips to look a little alive. This is it. Oh my gosh, love this formula. Let's see how much these retail for. So the duo retails for $9.99, so $5 a piece, compared to the Jisoo lip oil. That one retails for, let's see, that one I believe retails for $28, so almost 30 bucks for a lip oil when you can get either pink or a red. Oh my gosh, I am here for this. I cannot believe this is all under $20. The skin is skinning. The cheeks highlight it to the heavens. The eyes are so pretty. It's just the perfect pop of green for the summer. And you can get this all at Walmart, y'all. Oh my gosh. Shout out to Profusion for spoiling me and sending me everything. I genuinely enjoyed and loved every single product. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's review. It's a full glam using all affordable makeup. This just goes to show you that you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to feel and look amazing. So let me know what you're buying. Are you eyeing anything? Is there a collection that you're going to buy? Again, everything can be found at Walmart, but I will have all the links in the description box down below. With that said, thank you so much for being here. I love you. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.